I'm going to show you 3 ways or 4 ways. I don't know if I'll go more, but 3 or 4 ways to know that the cream you are using on your body is a bleaching cream. Okay, I've been in the bleaching game in the past. I was like a white lady. Then one day, boom, everything came on top of my head like this, like karma. And so I decided to quit. Okay, so you can watch my previous video to see how to stop bleaching, like how to stop bleaching to achieve your original skin tone. So this is a cream I bought. It's an organic cream from Ghana. Okay, I live in Germany. It's an organic cream from Ghana, and actually this cream works, but I know it's a bleaching cream because later it started giving me knuckles and stuff, but actually it worked for what it was intended to, like some dark spots and all these stuffs. If you want to see your cream is a bleaching cream, number 1, as soon as you open the cream, smell it. If it smells like chemical, it's a bleaching cream. Okay, because a normal cream should not smell like chemical as in like what, like cleaning materials and stuff. Like there are some creams, you open it, it's like alcoholic. I don't know how to describe this kind of smell, but you all know what I'm talking about. The smell should tell you your cream is a bleaching cream. If the first day you use your cream, the smell is different from when after a week you let me put it right. Like today you buy the cream, the smell is nice. Then in a week, a month, you open the cream and it's like some chemical smell is inside. Please throw it away. Okay. Number 2, if you open the cream, you see, let me show you, then you see that the color is changing. You see this brownish color in the lid, or sometimes even the cream. Let me show you. You can see all this. It's a sign that your cream is chemical. It's a bleaching cream and you need to throw it away. A good cream doesn't change color. A good cream doesn't have bad smell. Okay. Number 3, if you see that after some time you are getting this part of your fingers is getting like light, sometimes it doesn't give you knuckle because you after you finish using it, you wash your hand and stuff, but if you see that this part of your fingers is becoming white, like yellow, okay, let me give an example. Me, there are some creams I will use, they are not bleaching creams, but I don't know what happens. My hands will be lighter than my skin and all. Okay, or this but you can know that the cream you are using is a natural cream, a butter cream, but not this bleaching, lightening, 7 days cream, 10 days cream. I'm talking about those kind of creams. If it starts to give you knuckles, please. Me now, I'm dark skinned, but I have some knuckles because mine is natural. Mine is from using so many hand disinfections. Because 2 minutes I'm using hand disinfection. When I come home, I'm using hot water to wash and all this. So my knuckles is natural. But if yours is from cream, like you don't have knuckles, all of a sudden you use the cream, you get knuckles, please stop. Number 4, if you start seeing green veins, okay, green veins around your chest, your here, this part of your body, sister, brother, I beg, stop using the cream. It will thin your skin out. It will age your hands. Like you can, there are some fingers when you see there's no flesh. All you see is bones and green veins. Like the hand is the hand has suffered. Okay, the hand has suffered. It thins out your skin and it's not good. Please, if If you don't have green veins, you start using a cream and boom, 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks to a month, you see green veins and all this. Please stop the cream. It's not good. Number 5. Earlier in the video, I said I'm going to give 3 reasons. 3 reasons, but I also said it can go more. I can go more. So, number 5. If you're using a cream, okay, and all of a sudden, you start seeing stretch marks. There are some marks which is natural, like me. When I'm gaining weight, I get natural stretch marks around my hips and sometimes this part of my body, okay. But if you see that yours is as a result of the cream, that cream one, even natural stretch marks sometimes is very beautiful, like this light one, but the one from creams, it will burst the skin and oh god. Please, if you see all these things I have mentioned, quickly throw the cream away and start building your skin, okay. If you want to build your skin, the first thing you need is shea butter, olive oil, coconut. This is my coconut oil, it's original coconut oil, all the butter, okay. You start using it to build your skin so that all this wahala is gone. Then if you have all these stretch marks, people tell you to exfoliate. Don't be scrubbing things in stretch marks, you will complicate it. Maybe I'll make this in another video, okay. I'll make this, I don't want this video to be long. So thanks for watching. Share the video, like the video, comment, and be a family. I love you. Bye. Mwah. Tschüss.